Hi, I'm Lewis.
And I'm Mandy.
And this is Vegans Taste Better.
This is a show where we try vegan items, usually new, that we've recently found, and let you know what we think.
Today we have Daiya deliciously dairy-free creamy Italian dressing. And I found this for $1.49 at Grocery Outlet. We're gonna give it a taste test and see what we think.
So, should we talk about something while we eat, or is there a vegan topic?
Well, let's just comment on like the viscosity of this item.
Really thick.
So it really gives it a good coat on there. Now I expected this to kind of be sweet because the Daiya brand dressings that we've tried before have been sweet. But it's got a nice vinegary flavor.
I think it's kind of sweet. I don't know what Italian dressing is supposed to taste like, so I can't compare this to regular Italian dressing. Oh my, you're ruining the video!
I give it 2 Omar heads because his big black head is over here.
That's pretty good. I'm gonna try it on the broccoli. Oh my, you're not getting any food!
So I'm gonna try it on the broccoli as well. So I thought it was pretty good with carrot, but carrot's sweet, so this is less sweet. Yeah, I like this. I'd put it on my salad.
I think it's way better on broccoli. Not that that matters. I'm gonna give Omar a carrot! Omar is our companion pig. You can't see him. He doesn't deserve to be on camera. He's contributing nothing to this video.
So, if you're suffering from protein deficiency, this will not help you.
Yeah, but drinking your pee will, according to...
Or eating your peas would probably be more helpful. I like this product.
I do too.
We usually do low-fat dressing on our salad. But our daughters use lots of fat, so
yeah,
good for them.
I'm a McDougal vegan, so I try to keep my fat intake low. No oil, like Esselstyn. The second ingredient in this is oil. But, you know, if you're young and dumb, you can get away with it.
So, pretty good.
Omar wants to try it really bad.
Yeah. Omar.
I already gave him a carrot.
I'm going to give him a little bit of the dressing.
No, don't give him the dressing. He'll get fat. He's already fat.
Omar likes it. Just the carrots.
Yeah, he can have a carrot.
Okay.
So I'd give this a...
On a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the best, I'll give it a solid 3.
I'd give it a 3.5.
I prefer Goddess to this. If I was going to have high-fat dressing on my salad, I'd take Goddess over this, but
definitely. This
is a close second to it.
I'd say it's really good. I think Italian dressing isn't really one of the famous ones, though, so it's hard for me to compare it to a real Italian dressing. A real Italian dressing, you say? I don't know what that is. I don't remember.
No, it's been 20 years. But it has a nice cheesy flavor. Or
it's good on the vegetables.
Cheesy flavor. Yeah. I like it.
Yeah.
It's good. 3 Omar heads. If we can get an Omar head.
Maybe we should show our Omar for a second.
He doesn't show up. He's darkness.
Yeah.
Take 1. Action.